Should I use and or but? And I should use or. Are you also confused whether to put and here or but? So I am here to solve your problem. Hello and welcome to my channel and English. Today we are going to learn the use of and, but, so, or. So let's start today's session. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are those words which connect other word phrases and clause in English. So basically today we are going to learn what is conjunction and examples of conjunction. Then we will see the use of and, but, or, so. So here are some conjunctions: for and nor, but, or, yet, so, after, although, as, because, before, how, if, once, since, then, that, though, till, until, when, where, whether, while. These were some conjunctions. Today we will see the use of and, but, or, and so. Let's come to the use of and used to combine two or more similar ideas or information. Let's see the example of and. He played, he enjoyed. Because these are similar ideas, so we can connect with the help of and. He played and enjoyed. Next is I am going to cafe. You are going to cafe. These are also similar ideas, so we can combine it with the help of and. I and you are going to cafe. Let's come to the but. We use but to combine two or more opposite ideas or information. Like she is beautiful, she is lazy. They both are opposite ideas, so we can join with the help of but. Like she is beautiful but lazy. Next example is you are short, I am tall. So these are opposite ideas, so we can join with the help of but. Like you are short but I am tall. Let's come to the use of or used to show a choice between two or more options. Give me a pen, give me a pencil. This sentence is showing us a choice, so we can say that give me a pen or pencil. Next is would you like to have tea, would you like to have coffee? So here is also choice, so we can connect this sentence with the help of or. Would you like to have tea or coffee? Let's try to understand so. We use so as a subordinating conjunction to introduce clauses of result or decision. So used for result or decision. Let's take some example. It is raining. We can't go to school. After combining these sentences, we can say that it is raining, so we can't go to school. I will go Canada. I can study there. After combining, we can say that I will go to Canada, so I can study there. Both the sentences are showing the situation of result. It is raining, that's why they can't go to school. In second sentence, like she will go to Canada, so result is she will study there. It was about the topic. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe my video.